Hey guys, welcome back. We just finished 4. Now let's go ahead and do 5 and 6. Okay, so it says do the ratio 2/5. So that's the same as saying like this. So that would be 2/7. So we want to go 2/7 of the way there. But they're being kind of sneaky here. It says find the coordinate endpoint B where P is the partition point, and they're actually telling you where P is, not B. So what they're saying is if A is here and P is here, where is this? Where is B? This is a slightly different question. Sneaky. Okay, so let's take a look. We're going to graph -8, -2, so that would be right here. And then -4, +4. Okay. So -8, -2, and -4, +4. Okay, and that one was point P, not B. So I'm actually going to go on a journey. 7 equal pieces, and this is just the journey 2. So this is 2 equal pieces, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left to go. So my guess is that it's somewhere here by like maybe 6/18. I guess that would be my guess. 6/18 is maybe where point B is, because that's a little off. Maybe it's more like 5/18. But that looks about right, that if this is 2 equal pieces with 5 left to go. Okay, so we've got to cut this journey into 2 pieces. So this was easy, right? We just had 2. This was a little harder. I went from 2, -2, to +4, right? So I have to use a little bit different, but the distance between there, I can find that out, right? The distance between my x values, 4 minus a -2 is 6. And I have to cut that first part in 2 equal pieces. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. So that's how far I went. Now let's figure out the distance between the two y's. So that's 4 minus a -2. Oh, wait, I did that one wrong. This one I did was the y's. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Those were the y's I did, right? -2 and 4. Let's do the x's. Okay. So the x's were -4 minus a -8. Okay, so I get 4. And when I cut that equal, it's 2. Okay, that makes more sense. So I went 2 here in the x, and I went a total of 3 in the y. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That makes sense. Okay. Now, I want to continue that 5 more. So I'm already at this coordinate. Let's see, where is coordinate P? Coordinate P is at -4 in the x and +4 in the y. Now I want to go 5 more 2/overs. So I want to go +2. I got to go +2, +2, +2, +2, +2. 5 more +2s. And vertically, I'm going to plot 5 more +3s. Now, I could have just multiplied. That would have been fine. 5 more +3s. Let's see what that would be. That would be -4 plus 10, which is 6. Okay, cool. So that's close to where our guess was. And 15 plus 4. So 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay. That's close. So I got the coordinate 619, and that was really close to what I guessed. Pretty close to what I guessed. So my final answer is 619. And let's finish. Beautiful. Okay. So that's B, 619. Nice one. Okay. Let's take a look at the next one. It says A is 4, 1. B is negative 3, 0. So let's use our straight edge. Oh, I didn't go very straight, did I? Try again. Okay, that's a little bit better. Now it says if A and B are these two coordinates, find the point that divides A and B into 2/3. Okay, so let's zoom in. I want to go 1, 2, 3, 2/3. So you could think of that as this, right? 2/3. I want 3 to the left and 1 to the right. That cuts it at the 2/3 point. So it looks like the coordinate's going to be somewhere maybe like 2, 1/2. I guess that's my guess. That's not exactly right. 2, 1/2 would be my guess, I guess. All right, now let's use the formula. So x1 plus, and I want to go 2/3 of the way there. And my difference of my x, and then I'll do the same in the y. Okay, so x1 is 4. And the difference of the x values, looks like they're 7 apart from each other. So yeah, I'm getting a decimal here. So 2 times negative 7 is negative 14. And negative 14 divided by 3. So I get 4 plus 4.67. But that's a negative. Okay. So 4 minus 4.67 is negative 0.67. Okay. Now let's look at our y. So y1 is 1, 2/3 of the way there. So 0 minus 1. And 0 minus 1 is a negative 1. So we get 1 plus negative 2/3. Okay. So that would be 1 plus a negative 0.67. Okay, so that is 0.33. So that's my coordinate. So if you're more comfortable showing this as a fraction, that's negative 2/3, and that's 1/3. Now let's see if that's close. Negative 2/3. Negative 2/3, 1/3. All right, so negative 2/3, 1/3. Well, that's not where I guessed, right? But let's figure something out. Oh, I missed my labels here. This is actually A and this is actually B. So I think my math got me to the right place. This is cool. Okay. So negative 2/3 would be right about there. And 1/3 right about there. And that's actually right, guys, because I actually need to go on a journey from A to B. So I got to go 2 equal units with 1 left to go. Yep. So my formula actually got me out of a jam, even though my guess was flip-flopped. Okay, nice. Check out the last video for 7 and 8.